Okay, at first glance here, it's a perfect brick match. You have the same texture throughout the brick here. These kind of the worms in the brick. That's a great start. At first glance, the tans of the brick here seem to match up nicely. The one potential issue is the blacks, where you have kind of like a dirtied brown. Dirtied brown, I don't know if that makes sense. You have like a brownish black, where on the house it looks more of a black. But what we're gonna do is move this over here. We'll transform the brick to fit the existing structure and see how it matches up. Is it a perfect match off first glance? It's not a perfect match. Let's kind of, you see the reds on top of the brick of the sample board. We're gonna cut those out to get a better look, as those would be hidden by the mortar. And we'll try this again. Okay, I'm liking that a bit more. So again, the insides of the brick, we'll zoom in here. The brick base is red, but you have the face of the brick that's different colors than the brick itself. So going back to the brick match now, the tans, I'd give it like a 7 out of 10 match between the tan here and the tan on the sample board. The blacks could always be stained. Black's an easy stain to do, to mix in. So I think if we're discussing this with a client, you have the worm texture. Again, the worm texture here, which is very important. The color tone itself on the face is a really good match. And then the blacks on the brick, those could always be stained to match better. So if I were to have an issue with this as a client, I would be more geared towards kind of throwing my eyes at the blacks and the browns why they're not matching, but that's typically the easiest fix. So are you going to find a better brick match than this? Probably not. That's my answer on that. Probably not.